Hi, my name is John with Coachman Sales, a material handling equipment wholesaler serving New Jersey, New York, and Florida. Today I'll be demonstrating this brand new electric pallet jack. It's a Heli DC20, model number CBD20J-Li3. It comes with 27 by 48 standard fork size, polyurethane wheels, and underneath the hood or the tray, here we have a removable lithium-ion battery, 48 volts and 28 amp hours. It only weighs about 15 pounds, so it's easily removable and can be charged on the go. Here on the handle, we have a few simple buttons to use. You have lift, you also have lower, and a safety horn for coming around corners. On top, you have a belly stop, a turtle mode to go slow around corners, and it moves forward and reverse electrically. Very easy to use. Over here, what comes with the unit is the parts manual and information guide, as well as the owner's and operator's manual. In the box, we have a 110 volt charger that comes with the unit and easily plugs in. You can plug it in while it's encased in the hood or in the unit, or take it out, bring it to a front of a truck for deliveries, and charge it on the go if you have a DC converter. Very easy to use, and another safety feature is that it comes with an electric brake built into the unit. So, it's not really falling off a truck or a liftgate, just like a manual pallet jack would. For demonstration purposes, I'd like to lift another pallet jack just to show how it works. This unit lifts 4,400 pounds, and it only weighs 350 pounds, so it's fairly lightweight, but it lifts really well. It's considered a light-duty machinery or equipment, and on the back here we have an LCD screen that shows you your battery life along with the runtime of the unit. Here we have the emergency switch, your data plate and information about the unit, and up top we have the key and spare key. That's it for the pallet jack. My name is John with Coachman Sales. You can find us online at coachmansales.com, on eBay, or social media. Thank you.